Welcome to the historic Tufveson House, built in 1904 and located in Minot, North Dakota. This is a photo of the home taken in 1906. I've seen the architectural style of this home referred to as both Queen Anne and Princess Anne style. Queen Anne being the most elaborate of the Victorian styles, and Princess Anne is a middle style during the transition from Queen Anne Victorian to the more simple farmstead home. We'll pull up to the kitchen side porch entrance and explore. Before we go inside, I want to get a close-up of the details on this beautiful wraparound porch because I feel it's one of the most alluring features of the exterior of this home. This is a photo of the kitchen taken in 1983. I want to point out that the laundry room is in the kitchen. There was also once a narrow servant stairway that would lead up to the second floor. This is the kitchen today. You can see a lot of remodeling took place. It's much more expansive. The laundry room and servant stairs are now gone. This door you see here leads down to the cellar, and then there is a mudroom. What is now the mudroom used to be a morning room perfectly positioned to catch the rising sun. This is a photo of that room from 1983, and here it is today. A little different, but still maintains a lot of its original charm, like the beveled glass windows, the trim with egg and dart motif, and the matching hardware with egg and dart motif. Now, as we open this door, we come into the living room. Here is a photo of that from 1983. All of the photos of the interior home that I'm going to show you were taken in 1983 because that's when someone took the time to restore the home back to its original condition after serving as an apartment complex in the 1940s and 50s. Then he submitted the home to the National Historic Register. This is the living room today. It has a door that leads to the front porch, opens into the dining room. That mirrored door is an addition that I'm not going to show you because it's not an original part of the house. This is the mudroom again. And then at some point, the butler's closet was converted into a powder room, which is small but quite tasteful. It has a lot of nice features like this antique mirror. Also this vintage gold faucet. From there, we come over into the front parlor. The parlors were very important during the Victorian time. This is where you would receive and entertain guests. Here's a photo from the 80s. I love that grand piano. I'm planning on finding a baby grand if I can. So this has the pocket doors, which are pretty neat. Unfortunately, the doors are not original. I'm going to hunt down some original ones, but the hardware on the door is, which is pretty cool. I'm also going to hunt down some skeleton keys for everything. So you would push this button and a little piece comes out that allows you to pull the door shut. Then we come into the front stairway and main entrance. Unfortunately, the stairway is a replacement. This home has seen two major floods, both of which covered the first floor in water. So it's a miracle that it's survived as beautifully as it has. And here's the front entrance today. High on my priority list is finding a Victorian door to replace that front door. You've got the bench and still a lot of charm again, like this glass doorknob. Next, we'll be at the top of the stairs, looking into the first of 3 bedrooms. 2 of the bedrooms upstairs had both the bedroom area and their own parlor. Again, parlors were so important for entertaining and guests in the Victorian era. And here's that room today. Beautiful maple floors, original trim, picture rail up top. Look at these intricate details on this radiator. I just love all the attention to detail and aesthetics that were put into the Victorian era. Now we pan over to what is the master bedroom. This is the second bedroom that had its own parlor area. That parlor area has been turned into a master bathroom today that I am quite happy with. Beautiful fireplace, vanities, and this tub that I will probably spend a lot of time in. I'm working to surround myself with plants. I just want it to be a peaceful and relaxing place. I have to show you that the little toilet area has its own chandelier. This is the second bathroom upstairs that's right next to the master. You can see where the stairs are. And this right here is the third bedroom, which was the maid's quarters back in its original days. I think the handsome Mr. Fox will be joining us for the rest of the tour. Now this post on the stairway is original, and these original posts would be hollow, and oftentimes in it you would find blueprints or designs for the home. Nothing in this one, unfortunately. This door here is the entrance to the upper balcony. The door is original and something that I would like to find for the main door downstairs. You can see the details that are on it. And then again, the egg and dart motif on this ledge with beveled glass. The home is built right along the Souris River, which you can see here. Built by Nels Tufveson, who was a Swedish immigrant cattle rancher who settled here in 1884. He's one of the original settlers in the area. And he bought this tract of land, and this was the first home built on it. And now it's one of the last remaining mansion homes in the Minot area. This home, and there are 4 others right in a row along the street. One of those homes is a bed and breakfast called the Dakota Rose. You can see it there in pink as I swing by really fast, but I highly recommend it. And there you have your introductory tour of the Tufveson House. I hope to do more videos in the future once I have the home set up with our things. There's so much history in this home from when it was first built to today. And I'm really looking forward to our family being part of that history. Cheers until next time.